welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to change date and time in your PC or laptop. So first of all, you have to get your cursor to the date and time of your PC or laptop. So then click on this change date and time settings option, and then click on this change date and time. And if you have two PC accounts, this thing will appear on your screen. Say yes to it. And then you have to change the date first, and then get your cursor to the hours, change the hours, get your cursor to the minutes, change the minutes, get your cursor to the seconds and change the seconds. For changing the minutes and seconds, you have to search time with seconds live of your area. So let me search it. Time with seconds live. So here I have found a website. I will go to this, and now okay, and now it is done. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my tech channel, subscribe to my educational channel. Don't forget to click on the bell icon so you will notify whenever I post new videos. And hit like, share this video, comment on this video.